A leading manufacturer in the connectivity solutions industry needs new induction equipment to improve the consistency of production quality. They knew the induction technology but were not satisfied with the capabilities of their current equipment. Before switching to UltraFlex annealing induction solution, they needed to verify their decision via lab tests. The challenge was to anneal specific zones from one side apart while retaining hardness on the other side. Specifications and test samples were sent, and our engineering team started testing. 5 tests were conducted to evaluate the performance of our high-frequency unit, the SBT-3. Power was regulated for every test, and the test engineer did a variation of timing setups on all the samples that were sent. A single-turn lab coil was used. The results of these tests demonstrated that the SBT-3 unit, combined with the custom single-turn coil, was the optimal solution for the application. To further enhance the success of the tests and prevent annealing on the far side of the part, a water cooling solution was proposed to the customer. Thanks for watching! For more details, use the reference number AR 3463 8371. Don't miss our next case studies and subscribe to our YouTube channel.